Alright, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm at a local Class A trout stream. I was here a couple months ago. It's the one where the Asian lady yelled at me for fishing her spots. So I'm back here. It is summertime. I wanted to kind of have it all to myself. I wanted to check upstream again because last time I used the trout magnet for a good portion of it, and it's when I started using the spinners when I started getting more fish. So I want to go upstream for a little bit first with the spinner and see if I can get anything. But yeah, so if you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and enjoy the video. So I was here back in the spring, and this is way lower than what it was. This stream has wild browns in it. So the original plan this week for me, or weekend, was to go to my camp and fish for native trout up there. But the reason why that didn't happen is because my camp currently does not have any electricity. Nobody knows why. And the original plan for a little bit was at least still to go up, but then quickly, at least I realized that that was going to be really difficult without any electricity, because no refrigerator. So if you have anything that's perishable, too bad. So yeah, it would be kind of a pain with no electricity. So I figured I might as well just not go and keep my requested days off of work, keep them, so I can at least still do something. Now I did catch trout out of here, so oh, the one was chasing it. I did hook one for a second. It wasn't a very big one. I don't think there are rattlesnakes this far west, but I wouldn't be surprised if there are. They're not. Oh, that was Jagger. They just jammed it right into my arm. Yeah. Can I pull this one in? Can I pull it in? Am I gonna lose it? No, I'm not gonna lose it. Do this quickly. It's a little native brown trout. Alright. See you, buddy. If I was down by the water, I'd be able to hold him in the water, but I'm not near the water, as you can see. There's a deer, and then the fawn went over there somewhere, so I'm hoping she goes with her fawn. There's one. Little bugger. I did catch like one or two little ones out of here. That was another one. Right here. Looks like a good spot. Yeah. That's the biggest one of the day so far, out of 3. Yeah, let's put the hook, put everything back where I don't want it to be. Chill there for a second. That's a beautiful little brown. This is where I had to turn around at last time because that lady was down here. And I wanted to respect her fishing spots and not go around her, but turns out she was actually going upstream. Which I think any fisherman would go downstream. Not a little one. Maybe fisher women are different. He came unhooked. Thank you. Other nice brown trout. What? Dude, I have one on with my reel locked up. Yeah. He got tangled. He's still going bananas. There's another one. Smaller one. I see trout in there. I don't want to be as active just because the sun's shining on this hole. That might be it. That might be it. I'm actually surprised I have not seen a snake.